It is a horrible day outside as far as weather, but we're all bundled in the car. Look at Gianna. Ashton is behind me back there. And I have some shopping to do. I'm a little irritated because the weather sucks, but it has to get done. We don't have any water, we don't have any milk, we need toilet paper, we need trash bags, we have a whole list. I want to also go to Bath and Body Works. It's not so big Bath and Beyond, I always get them, but Bath and Body Works, to get some of those mini like fragrances and mini lotions. They're really good for like stocking stuffers or grab bag gifts, things like that. So I want to just, they typically have them like 3 for like 12 bucks or 10 bucks or something really good. So I'm gonna also check that out. I'm trying to beat the snow because it's raining right now. I don't know if you can see out of my windows, but it's raining right now, but it's supposed to snow later on. So I'm trying to just deal with the rain to beat the snow. So this is what we're doing. I'm lame. I'm not good at vlogging. So buckle up and come with me on my vlogging trial and error. I don't know. This is our Vlogmas day 1. It's in the Bath and Body Works right now, but the weather sucks so bad that I think I'm just gonna leave. I wanted to go to this TJ Maxx today too, but I don't know, y'all. It's so hard to get things done with kids. We ended up, instead of doing any of the shopping that I needed to do, we ended up at Steak and Shake, building cars and putting little hats together and stuff like that. I don't even know who does that. The weather's bad. Instead of getting the stuff we needed to get done, we end up trying to do this. Hot dog. Are you gonna eat? Maybe? Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna eat.
They did this wrong.
Let me see. Turn it around again. It's half strawberry, half, it's supposed to be half vanilla, but it looks mighty yellow. So we think it might be banana. We should taste it. And I got a birthday cake. And then Ashton got apple juice. Right shake, right, Gianna?
Uh-huh.
This one is vanilla and strawberry, half and half. You can see the difference. I'm like all in mine. I got baked beans. Okay, eat your food.
I'm checking if the
So we got trapped and stuck in the snow. Not stuck, but we got caught by the snow and in the snow. Stayed in Steak and Shake way too long because it is now full-blown snowing outside. I tried to show you guys. The kids, well, Gianna is excited about it. Ashton was trying to catch it on his tongue and eat the snow. So I was supposed to go home and decorate the outside of the house for Christmas, but now it's gonna have to wait another day because girl. So Gianna's been begging to decorate the house for Christmas, and I've been like putting her off and putting her off. She's been begging since before Thanksgiving. So now Thanksgiving is out the way. It's December and like we can start doing it. I pulled out a few things from the basement from last year to put outside. I don't go crazy on the outside. I don't really go crazy decorating at all, but she's so excited and into it that I'm gonna put in a little more effort. I'm not gonna go crazy outside. I don't wanna have to deal with getting ladders to string lights, things like that. I am gonna buy some lights for the railing on our house and also for the bushes, like to light the bushes, yeah, bushes, that's correct. But other than that, I have a few things right here that I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so I had this little tree from last year. I haven't checked though, excuse the house, it's a big mess right now, but I haven't checked to see if the lights work still. So I'm gonna do that. I also need to kind of fluff it because it's kind of flat. Like I said, it's been in the basement. So it just needs to be plucked, but I'll put that on the porch. Sorry, I'll put that on the porch. And then this. Okay, so this sign is from Five Below, but apparently we broke it. So I ran to the Dollar Tree and I bought these bows for $1 each because they're from Dollar Tree. So I bought 3 of them. I cut the like legs, the ends off of this one and put it up there because it was broken. We were missing one of these signs, these little arrows. I'm not sure where it went. This one was broken off too. So I just used my E6000 to kind of just stick it back. It's still a little wobbly, but it's on there. So that's this sign. It's at Five Below for $5. So really it wasn't that expensive. I'm just cheap. There was nothing wrong with this one. Like I said, it's just missing one little arrow I could see or something. I can't remember what was on top of it, but there was a circle, like I could see where the glue was, if there was something there. So I just stuck one of those bows in there. I'm gonna put these 2 bows on the railing on the stairs. So at the end of the railing on the stairs, so one on each railing. And then my mom made this candy cane. Oh, I wish I would have knew. I thought it was white, like red and white, but it's all red, so it's still pretty. We'll have this on the door, this one on the porch. I'm wondering if I should change that silver bowl to red. I literally just took it out the basement just like this. Like I said, you can see all kind of issues we got going on with the little tree. And then so this on the door, this in the yard not too far from the door, and then these on the stairs. And then eventually we need to pull the tree out, and I'm gonna probably sit it right here, but we have to clean the house first. I just sat here and talked to y'all for a good 10 minutes before I realized I wasn't even recording. Oh my gosh. I was saying, I showed you guys things and everything. So I was saying that the kids, we went shopping and got boots. We went to the Timberland store. And so Ashton got his first little baby pair of Timberlands. They're just so cute. His feet look huge though. It looks big. But they're little. They're so cute. I'll show you the difference. You ready? So this is Ashton's boot, right? And then let me show you Ashton's boot and then Gavin's boot. Now you see the difference, right? So Gavin got matching boots with Ashton, except he changed his laces out. He didn't like the laces that come with them. I guess the color wasn't his thing, so he changed them. I know he asked me to buy him some, I think, black ones. So I'm gonna do that probably tomorrow. And then Gianna picked these out. So we did that. We're slowly but surely getting into the Christmas spirit. Gianna's been there for weeks, but I'm getting on board. I don't know if Gavin, I was gonna call him Gashton. But anyway, Gavin is so much like Gianna, but we're definitely getting there. My hair's a mess. I was saying before too that the house is a mess. You know, I've been doing a lot of like, I have a cleaning routine that I've put together. I've showed you guys one bit of it, like my nap time clean routine. So I really try to make at least the common areas look good all day, like regardless. But it's almost Christmas, and anytime you sell things, so I own a business, but it's e-commerce. So this is the busy season, so things are kind of amping up. I'm busy and I'm focusing on like holiday promotions and marketing and things like that. So the house has slipped tremendously. Hey guys, remember when I went outside and put the bows on the house? And the little sign in the yard. I'm also giving away that clay thing, but look at it. It's covered in snow now. It snowed. Gavin is outside walking the dog, and he's upset because he has to walk the dog in the little snow storm. It's not really a storm, it's just a fall, but I just wanted to update you guys. It's like a waste of time. Look, there they are. Look.